Hello and welcome to Piano Video Lessons. Today I have a quick hack for using videos for self-study, whether you're learning piano or some other instrument. If you want to keep track of the exact spot where you left off, all you need to do is put a timestamp in the comment of the video. So by clicking the comment here, it activates this comment as a clickable link that will take you to the exact spot in the video that you want to rewatch. Now let's talk about this other note I already mentioned, middle C. So that's super helpful if you want to make sure that you go back to a spot because you want to listen to it again. And let's say, for example, that you're listening to a piece of music and you always want to find the chorus. Then you can just timestamp the chorus, 3:40. And then when you click on that, it will take you directly to that part of the video. And if you want to re-loop it, just click it again. There's another little hack here. You can slow things down. Did you know that? We can just click on playback speed here. We can go down to super slow, 25% speed, and listen to it slowly. It does degrade the sound quality at that slow speed, but it can be helpful if you're trying to watch things go by at a more reasonable tempo. All right, so thanks for watching. If you want some more free videos, you can check them out here on my channel, Piano Video Lessons here at YouTube. Lots of free video content, hundreds of free videos for beginners and intermediate level piano players, or you can find them all on my website for free as well. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.